Good morning, students. Today we will discuss some problems of trigonometry based on trigonometric function of sum and difference of two angles. So let us see one function sine a plus b, sine a minus b, cos a plus b, cos a minus b. So what is sine of sum of two angles A and B, sine of A plus B, we write it sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. In case of minus, we will write sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Cos A plus B, cos A cos B plus cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, and cos A minus B cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. In case of tan A plus B, tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B, and tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B whole upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. So these are the trigonometric function of sum and difference of two angles. So tan A plus B, tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. Sin A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Let us see how we will apply this identity. So firstly we will find how we can find the value of sin 15 degree. How we can find the value of sin 15 degree. So in place of 15, we will write it 45 minus 30. 45 minus 30, it will be 15. So we can write it sin 45 degree minus 30 degree. So we can apply here sin A minus B identity. A is 45 and B is 30 degree. So 45 is A and B is 30 degree. So we can write sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, and value of sin 45 cos 30 we can write from the table. We already know what is sin 45, sin 30, cos 45, cos 30. So how we will find sin 15 degree? So sin 15 degree, we can write it sin 45 minus 30. This part is A, 30 is B. So we can write sin 45 cos 30 minus cos 45 sin 30. Sin 45 1 by root 2. Cos 30 degree root 3 by 2. Cos 45 1 by root 2. Sin 30 1 by 2. So simplify it. It is root 3 upon 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So LCM is same, 2 root 2, 2 root 2. So subtract the numerator, root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. So this is the value of sin 15. We have to split 15 into 2 parts, 45 and minus 30. I hope it is clear to you. Let us see one more question. Next one, suppose if tan A is 1 by 2 and tan B is 1 by 3, and we have to find tan A plus B. Tan A is given 1 by 2, tan B is given, we have to find tan A plus B. So write the formula of tan A plus B. We know that tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B whole upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. Value of tan A, tan B, it is given, so put here. Tan A is 1 by 2, tan B is 1 by 3 upon 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. LCM is 6. So 2 3 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2. 1 minus 1 by 6. It is 3 plus 2. So 5 by 6 upon 6 1 ja 6 minus 1, 5 by 6. Both cancel. So what is answer? So in this way we can apply tan A plus B, sin A plus B, sin A minus B, like this. So this is the application of the trigonometric function of sum or difference of two angles, A plus B or A minus B. Now see some more trigonometrical formula. Sin A plus sin B is what? Sin A minus sin B. Cos A plus cos B. And cos A minus cos B. Sin A plus sin B. We write it in the product form. 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. It is given in the sum. We have to express it in the product form. Sin A minus sin B. Firstly, we have to write 2 cos A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. Cos A plus cos B. We can write it 2 cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. The last one, cos A minus cos B. So minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. So this sum can be expressed in the product form like this. For sin A plus sin B, firstly we have to write sin, then cos. Sin A minus sin B, firstly write cos, then sin. Cos A plus cos B, both will be in cos. And cos A minus cos B, both will be in sin with negative sign. We will discuss one problem based on this identity. So let us see one problem. First question. Cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x divided by sin 4x sin 3x plus sin 2x, and we have to prove it is cot 3x. Prove that cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x whole upon sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x is equal to cot 3x. We will apply this formula. So how we can do? We have to bring cot 3x. Cot 3x means cos 3x upon sin 3x. Cot 3x means cos 3x upon sin 3x. So here cos 3x is already given. Sin 3x is also given. So we will take these two terms, cos 4x, cos 2x together, and denominator sin 4x, sin 2x together, and apply in the numerator cos A plus cos B, and in the denominator sin A plus sin B. So take left hand side. cos 4x cos 3x plus cos 2x upon sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x. Write these two terms together. Cos 4x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x whole upon sin 4x and sin 2x together. Sin 4x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x. Here we will apply cos A plus cos B. Cos A plus cos B is 2 cos A plus B by 2. So 4x plus 2x by 2 into cos A minus B. A is 4x and B is 2x. So 4x minus 2x by 2. This is it. Plus cos 3x. Denominator sin A plus sin B. So this one is A, this is B. What is the formula of sin A plus sin B? 2 sin A plus B by 2. 4x plus 2x by 2 into cos A minus B. 4x minus 2x upon 2 plus sin 3x. 4x plus 2x, 6x, 6x upon 2. 4x plus 2x, 6x upon 2, 3x. 4x minus 2x, 2x upon 2. So only cos x plus cos 3x. 2 sin 4x plus 2x, 6x upon 2. 3x into 4x minus 2x, 2x upon 2 cos x plus sin 3x. We see that cos 3x common in both, and here sin 3x common in both. So take 2, cancel with 2, take cos 3x common. What we will get in bracket? Cos x plus 1 upon sin 3x common, cos x plus 1. Cos x plus 1 cancel with cos x plus 1. Cos 3 upon sin 3, it will be cot 3x, which is right hand side. So this is in this problem we have applied the identity cos A plus cos B, sin A plus sin B. I hope that it is clear to you. Now we will discuss one more identity, trigonometrical identity. Next identity, 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B. Here it is given in the product form. We have to express it in the sum. So 2 sin A cos B, it is written sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. It is given in the product form. We can express it as the sum. Next, 2 cos A sin B, it is written sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. 2 cos A cos B, it is expressed as cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. And last one, 2 sin A sin B. So we can write it cos x minus y minus cos x plus y. Cos x minus y minus cos x plus y. How we will apply it in the problem? So we will take one example to understand it. So see one question. We have to prove that sine 20 degree, sine 40 degree, sine 60 degree, sine 80 degree is equal to 3 by 60. Prove that sine 20 into sine 40 into sine 60 into sine 80 is equal to 3 by 60. So in this problem, we will apply this identity. So firstly take the left hand side. So what is LHS? Left hand side is sine 20, sine 40, sine 60, sine 80 degree. Here formula is 2 sine A, 2 sine A, sine B. All the functions are given in sine. So we will apply here 2 sine A, sine B. Value of sine 60, we know that its value is root 3 by 2. So we can take 20 and 40 or 20 and 80. But here 2 is there and 2 is not here. So we will multiply it by 2 and divide it by 2. So multiply it by 2. 2 sine 20, sine 40, sine 60, sine 80 degree and 1 by 2. We have to divide it and multiply it. Now we can apply here. 2 sine A, sine B. So what is 2 sine A, sine B? Cos x minus y minus cos x plus y. So write it 1 by 2. Take 2 sine 40 and sine 80 together. 2 sine 40, sine 80. Then sine 20. And outside we can write sine 60. Take sine 20 also outside. Sine 20. 2 sine A, sine B. 2 sine A, sine B. What we have to write? Cos x minus y. It is cos A minus B. Cos A plus 2 sine A, sine B. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So 2 sine A, sine B. We can write cos A minus B. Cos A minus B means 40 minus 80 minus cos A plus B. So 40 degree plus 80 degree. And sine 60 value is root 3 by 2 sine 20. One by 2 cos 40 minus 80. Cos minus 40 and cos minus 40 is cos 40. Cos minus theta is equal to cos theta minus cos 120 degree into root 3 by 2 sine 20 degree. Root 3 by 2 into 1 by 2. It is root 3 by 4 cos 40 minus cos 120 degree value is minus 1 by 2 into sine 20 degree. Root 3 by 4. It is cos 40 plus 1 by 2 into sine 20. Root 3 by 4. 2 cos 40 plus 1 upon 2 sine 20 degree. 4 into 2, 8. So it is root 3 by 8. And open the bracket. So 2 cos 40 sine 20 plus sine 20 degree. Here again we will apply 2 cos A sin B identity. 2 cos A sin B. So root 3 by 8. 2 cos A sin B. What is the formula of 2 cos A sin B? We will write sin 2 cos A sin B. So sin A plus B, 40 plus 20, minus sin A minus B, 40 minus 20, and plus sin 20. So root 3 by 8, it is sin 60 degree, minus 40 minus 20, 20, sin 20 plus sin 20 degree. This part cancel. Root 3 by 8, sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. Root 3 into root 3, 3, 8 to the 16. This one RHS, proved. So in this way we can apply the identity in the problem. I hope that it is clear to you. Now we will discuss some more question in the next video. Okay, thank you class.